I finally painted my beehives. I'm combining two hives there, but I finally painted my beehives the other day. If you've been watching my videos, you've seen all summer I've had some boxes that were painted, some that weren't. And finally got around to doing that. Looks like the bees are really busy today, which is good. It's a pretty warm day. I think it's probably, feels like maybe 75 degrees. But you can see all of this pollen coming in. A lot of goldenrod pollen. I'm still raising a lot of brood. Look at all these bees. I just fed these a couple days ago, and I can see the syrup is about at that level. I have one bee that's pestering me, but everything's looking pretty good.